Today I want to show you this parcel from Taobao. You can read Chinese. I think you already know what is inside. I didn't expect it come with a box. Ooh, wow. Okay. All the strings are tied together. So how to control the lion? This is the control stick connecting to the strings here, and these two strings are controlling the head. As you can see, it can move left and right, and this string in the middle here is controlling the jaw. I can close the jaw by pulling up the string, but there's a problem. I think the wire is not very straight here and the jaw doesn't move properly. And at the back, two strings are connected to here, and I can't really control left and right up. I can only go up like this, the back left, the bump go up and so, and that's all I can control. And give you a closer look here. It's really fine. There are bells on behind the ears and all this feather or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. And pom-poms, and the eyes are nice, and all the small details here are quite nice. And even at the back of the ears you can see it. And here this is the tails and all very shiny stuff here. And these are the legs, and it's quite nice because the legs are quite heavy, so it's making the lion dancing look very nice. At the moment I'm not very happy with the jaw here. Theoretically, the string here on the top should pull the jaw up, yeah, like this, but it just doesn't work because the jaw is falling back. And I don't mind it if this one doesn't work, but at least the jaw should hang a little bit to the front. Otherwise, if I look from the top, I can't even see the jaw here. I think I can fix it because you can see here the wire here. Yeah, I think I should move the wire to the front. Let me try this. Okay, now I remove the wire and try to push through here at the front, but it didn't work as I expected. Now I use the string here and just tie like this, and it's very flexible at the moment, you can see. And that's what I want. And the interesting is I can move the jaw by moving this thing down, and you can see the jaw is going up. Now the jaw can go up. Yeah, yeah. And I think I'm going to remove the banner here. I don't really like the banner. Let's see how it goes.